Hey guys, in this video we are going to unbox and review this MI dual driver in-ear earphones. What a short name. Jokes apart, this pair of earphones have got dual drivers as the name suggests, one regular driver and a dedicated BA driver or your balanced armature driver for vocals and high tones. This is the product model number and other related specs which you can read quickly. The price quoted is Rs 999, but you can get this for around 600 to 700 or under $10 easily. I am also going to give my opinion and compare it with two other similar Xiaomi dual driver earphones which I have got. One is the In-Ears Pro HD and the other is the In-Ears Pro 2. But before we start, please leave a like for this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me put more of such awesome contents for you. We get our earphones, two extra pair of silicone ear tips and our usual documentation. The cable is a braided one, which is always nice, but it is limited to the bottom portion only, which means the split wires on the top are made of rubber and not braided. The mic unit housing is not metal but of plastic, which actually feels cheap while holding but won't cause any issues as such. However, the earbuds themselves have a metal housing and feels good. They are magnetic and the jack is a gold-plated L-shaped one, which is also a nice feature. You can pause your music and skip back and forth tracks using the controller key. This is how it looks when you wear it, and it will not fall off easily. The ear tips are quite comfortable and can sit on your ears for a long music or conference without causing pain. This is the mic test of the dual driver earphones. This is how the audio quality will be on your video calls and voice calls. Do you think this is good? If you think, let me know in the comments below. Coming to the most important part of the video, how does it sound? Well, straight up, they are a good pair of earphones for the price they ask for. However, in spite of having a dedicated driver for vocals, I feel the high tones lack a punch. you should keep in mind the vocals are not very prominent as you would expect from a dedicated BA driver. The sound is quite bass heavy and the soundstage is somewhat V-shaped with clear weight towards the bass. Now don't get me wrong, the vocals are not bad. You won't notice the difference much if you are not using a very high-end earphone or otherwise. But I could feel it when compared directly with the other dual drive units from the same brand. If you want very good vocals, you will love the In-Ear Ears Pro HDs, but they lack punchy bass. For a more balanced bass and vocals, the In-Ear Pro 2 is perfect. And for bass lovers, this dual driver earphone might be a better choice. So it is a recommended product in this price range for sure. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is Avik signing off. Have a good day.